In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite anyone to Microsoft Teams meeting. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a meeting and getting the right people in the room, whether they're inside or outside your organization. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the Meet or Calendar view. Depending on your version, this may simply appear as a calendar icon labeled Calendar. If you don't see it right away, expand the sidebar to reveal all apps. At the top right of the Meet or Calendar screen, choose Schedule a Meeting. In some layouts, this button might say New Meeting. Both do the same thing. They open the scheduling window where you set up all the details. Begin with a clear, descriptive title. A good title helps participants quickly understand the purpose, like Project Kickoff or Quarterly Review. Keep it short but specific so it stands out in busy calendars. Next, add participants. Start typing names for people in your organization or paste full email addresses for guests outside your company. Teams will include external attendees as guests, and they can join from a web browser without installing the app. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced invitations. If you're inviting a group, you can add each person's email here so everyone receives the same details. Now, set the date and time. Pick the start and end times that work best. Make sure your time zone is correct, especially if you're coordinating across regions. If your organization supports it, you can glance at availability hints to reduce conflicts. Aim for a realistic duration so attendees can plan around it. Before wrapping up, review everything at a glance: title, participants, date, and time. If you've added any optional notes or context in the description box, make sure they're concise and helpful, like the meeting agenda or any materials participants should prepare. When you're ready, choose Save or Send. Send will email calendar invitations to everyone you've added, including the Teams meeting link. Save is helpful if you're still finalizing details and want to keep the meeting on your calendar before notifying participants. That's it. You've scheduled the meeting and invited everyone you need. Your attendees will receive a calendar invite with a join link, and they can connect from desktop, web, or mobile. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you set up your next meeting.